This is my old head unit. I try to get my steering wheel controls on my Holden Statesman WH 2002 model, and I've done research on Google, and Google was telling me to hook it up to this one, like the wires to here, and my wires line up to the ones on this side, what Google was telling me, but it's not working. So Google said take a picture of the plug, so I took a picture of this plug, telling me it's been hacked before. Yes, it has, by the last owner or before him, whatever, I don't know. And I took a picture of this one, and Google said yes, that's the plug you need. You need a full solid brown wire and a yellow and black wire. That's your earth. This one goes to your key 1. Your key 1 wire is this one here, the brown solid, and the wire wasn't long enough, so I just had to put my own extension on it. Still works. Yep, and yeah, because it used to be the Holden Statesman stereo used to be in there, so I replaced it with my touchscreen radio, and well, that's the plug what you need for your steering wheel controls. Okay, the next step, I will put this in. I'll just take the plug out from this unit here, put it up there, make it dangle out, hook all the cables up. I won't film it because I'm in the rush, I'm losing daylight, and yeah, and I tape all this up, make it all nice and tight with tape. Yeah, okay, better do that before the sun goes down. It's going down quickly. This radio is a Chinese brand from eBay. I think I paid maybe $150, I think. It's alright. It's one of my videos I made, and the song. Yeah, this one's a DVD player, CD player, and all that. Yeah. I connect the steering wheel buttons straight to the main harness, from the stereo to the main harness at the back. One of my videos, I got it on there because I got all the panels all screwed in now. Yeah. All this was here when I first bought the car. Yeah. Let's go try to get some sandpaper. I always use a plastic levers. Anyway, I'll show you how to program it in. Okay, go there, go settings, go up, SWC, click on that, it goes like that. It's really hard for me to do it. Last time I done it was dark kind of thing. Okay, I do these ones. Alright, okay, I go this one here. Hang on, put that in the rubbish bin first and reset it. Okay, can you see it blinking? Okay, here, push it in. See, solid light, it's fully on. Okay, head to the next one. Okay, these are channel ones. I do the volume soon, because these ones more close to the camera. Okay, go here, hold it in. Then I used this one up here. Which one did I use last time? Pause button. Okay, it's blinking there. Hold it in. Now do the volume. Okay, down. Swap hands. It's hard to do, eh? Okay, down button. Now do the up button. Then the mid one. Make that blinking off and on. Okay, I do it there, and I will do it over here for you to have a better look. Okay, I'm pushing it in now. Now, there we go. So now what you do, push this button here, and the volume will come up. You go down. Okay, I think my little buttons here needs a bit of a clean, I think. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't want to work. Okay, I get out of there. I put my own song back up. USB.
Chasing every long white line, rust red dirt and blue horizon, talking about nothing, losing time. From small towns to the ocean, salt in the air, sun on their skin. Peter and Karen and the Statesman start the car, let the day begin. Owls fading on the backseat, wet hair fading. If this road just circled forever, they still keep driving just to.
Okay, that's the car I drive. The Holden Statesman.
And oh, Karen's got her feet on the deck.
Okay, you can watch all my videos about this car. I'm in the middle of spray painting. Bit by bit kind of thing, because coming in wet season in this area. Rains every day so far, but it rained about 5 o'clock this morning. It's almost dinner time now, and we've got some blue sky. Awesome. Oh, thank you for watching my video. Bye.